Hi, my name is Alexandros Christou and I graduated with a master's degree in Data Analytics here at UCLan Cyprus. I chose UCLan Cyprus because it offered me the unique opportunity to earn a UK accredited degree while staying in Cyprus. The MSc Data Analytics program aligned perfectly with what I was looking for, a strong emphasis on practical skills and real-world applications. On top of that, the degree gave me the opportunity to obtain the SAS Joint Certificate in Business Intelligence and Data Mining, which added a significant value to my qualifications and enhanced my professional profile. My time at the British University of Cyprus played a pivotal role in shaping my career path. One of the most valuable aspects was the hands-on experience I gained working with real-world data. Through various projects and case studies, I had the opportunity to apply theoretical concepts to practical industry challenges, including risk asset analysis and life expectancy prediction. These experiences not only strengthened my technical skills in data analysis, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, but also helped me to develop a critical understanding of data visualization and interpretation. This practical foundation has been essential in preparing me for the demands of the data analytics field. Currently, I am working as a software engineer in the iGaming industry. Through my studies, I developed strong problem-solving and critical thinking skills that I apply daily to my role. The program, which is also offered via distance learning, teaches students programming in R, SQL, and Python. Also, it equipped me with the ability to use data analytics techniques to support data-driven decision-making, which is crucial in today's fast-paced environments. It also prepared me to manage complex infrastructures, especially when working on enterprise-level projects involving data warehousing. In addition, the program's focus on AI and machine learning gave me the solid technical foundation to understand how these fundamentals can be applied to real-world scenarios, such as fraud detection and identifying suspicious gambling activities, where recognizing patterns and anomalies quickly is crucial for protecting both users and business operations. My advice to anyone considering studying at UCLan Cyprus is not to hesitate, visit the university and experience for yourself what it's like to be a student here. It's a great opportunity to see the vibrant campus life, meet the supportive staff, and get a real feel for the learning environment.